Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and we are outside of Walgreens to do our Walgreens haul for this week. These deals are going to be good from Sunday the 26th until Saturday, February 1st. Make sure you guys check your accounts. There's a ton of booster coupons out there. I will be using a digital booster, spend 20, get 5,000 points back. So going to be doing a couple transactions, very beginner friendly today. I know I have a lot of newbie couponers on my channel, so you guys will be able to do these deals as well. Tons of digital coupons that we're using that are available in your apps. So make sure you guys clip those coupons and send them to your card so they don't disappear. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner. If you have not watched my CVS haul video yet from yesterday, I am doing a subscriber appreciation giveaway, giving away a $20 CVS gift card. So make sure you guys watch that video. I will link it at the end of this one and enter to win. I will be posting the winner tomorrow in my haul video. I'm probably going to be doing an Ibotta run tomorrow because I do have a $10 bonus that I'm trying to hit. So let's head inside and take advantage of these deals. So the first deal we're going to do for our first transaction is going to be on Revlon. So same deal as last week. When you spend $15, you're going to get a $10 register reward. So what I'm going to pick up is going to be one of these here. They are $9.99. Let's try this one. Then I'm going to pick up one of these lipsticks over here as well. Which one? Let's do this one, blushed. They are $8.29. Now, in the 1-5 Smart Source, if you have any more of these buy one eye or lip, get one free coupons, this week is the last week to do it. It does end on the 1st of February, which is Saturday. So you want to make sure you use up all of these coupons. Then it is taking off the higher value. So it will take off the $9.99. We'll pay $8.29 out of pocket, get back that $10 register reward. So final cost is free and a $1.71 moneymaker. Okay, so this is gonna finalize our first transaction. I'm gonna pick up these Dixie plates. They're all labeled buy one, get one free. You can mix and match. You can even pick up some bowls. So whatever you guys would like to do, I am gonna pick up probably just one of each. Let's grab one of these bad boys. This is another beginner friendly deal. There is a $1 off 2 digital coupon that you guys can clip, send to your card. They're $3.99 each. With that $1 off coupon, you'll pay $2.99 for both, or just $1.49 each, which is not a bad deal. I will go over the final breakdowns for you guys at the end and show you guys my receipts for each transaction. Okay, so this is going to be the first deal that we're going to take advantage of for our spend 20, get 5,000 points booster. We're going to pick up this all laundry detergent. This is a big one, 88 fluid ounces. Anyone can take advantage of this deal because there's a nice digital coupon. So they're on sale $6.99. You're going to pay just $4.99 with that digital coupon. Now, there's also an Ibotta offer. So go to your Ibotta account and make sure you activate the $2 back Ibotta offer. So now we're going to pay just $2.99 for 88 ounces of the all detergent, which I think is amazing. But of course, that's not what we're going to pay out of pocket at the end because we are combining this with a spend booster deal. So we'll go over all the math and everything in the breakdown at the end. Let's go pick up our next item. Okay, so it's time for some free oral care. So 2 deals we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing the Crest deal and we're gonna be doing the Colgate deal. So let's do the, oh wait, they both do the same thing. This one is on Crest. This one is on Crest. Okay, anyway, one of them is supposed to be on Colgate. So let me show you that one first. So Colgate is buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Now, we do still have that $5 off 3 digital coupon that you see here. So I'm gonna pick up 3 of these. That's gonna total $8.97. Use that $5 digital coupon. We're gonna pay $3.97, get back a $4 register reward, so it makes it absolutely free. So let's go ahead and pick up 3 of these. The next deal we're gonna do is gonna be on the Crest. So when you buy 3, you're gonna get a $5 register reward. So I'm gonna pick up, which ones? I like the Crest with scope. That's actually my favorite. So let's pick up these. And these are the larger ones. These are 5.4 ounces. So I'm gonna pick up 3 of these. We're also gonna use a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So total is going to be $8.97 when you buy 3. We're gonna take off that $5 digital coupon. We're gonna pay, again, $3.97 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back that $5 register reward. So final cost is free and a $1.03 moneymaker for picking up some toothpaste. Super, super excited about that. Okay, so another great laundry deal for you guys to take advantage of is on the Tide Simply and the Downy. They're on sale, buy 3, get a $3 register reward, and they're all gonna be $2.99 each. So I'm gonna pick up 1 of these Tide Simplies. Then we're gonna come over here and pick up 2 of these Downy. Of course, you guys can mix and match. You can get 3 Downy, 3 Tide. You can also do the Tide Simply Pods. Those are included. However you guys want to mix and match it, you're going to pick up 3 of them. Then on pgeveryday.com, you can print off this 50-cent coupon. It works on any of the items that are included. So we're going to use this 50-cent coupon, which is going to make it a really great deal after the $3 register reward. Final cost is going to be $1.65 each. Okay, so it's time for some paper product deals. So Cotton Now, these 6 mega rolls, 6 equals 24 mega rolls, are going to be on sale, 2 for $12. So we're going to pick up 1 of these. Actually, not that one. That one's ripped. Oh, they're all ripped. Oh well. Pick up 1 of these. Then the other item we're going to grab is some paper towels. Some Viva multi-surface cloth paper towels, these right here. So they're also on sale, 2 for $12. So the reason why we're gonna pick up 1 of each is because of Fetch rewards. I know I tell you guys about this all the time. Make sure you guys sign up. If you use my code right here, J24VT, you're gonna get an additional 2,750 points for scanning your first receipt. Now, with this deal, there is a $2 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure you guys clip that, send it to your card. So you'll pay $10 out of pocket, but when you scan your receipt to Fetch, you're gonna get back 3,000 points for having Viva on your receipt. Then you're gonna get back another 2,500 points for having the Cotton Now. So that is $5.50 back from Fetch, not including that sign-up bonus if you guys are not signed up yet. So final cost is going to be just $2.25 each, which I think is an amazing, amazing deal. So make sure you guys stock up on some paper products this week. Okay, so this deal I am super, super excited about because we rarely ever get amazing deals on trash bags. So the one we're going to be picking up is this one here. So you do have to tie it yourself. It doesn't have the nice drawstrings or anything like that, but there's 80 of them in here. So they are on sale, $7.99. Now we have $3 coupons from coupons.com. So if you guys printed those, this one it does work on because it says 80 count or larger. So none of these ones will work with that coupon. We also have a digital coupon. So anyone can take advantage of this deal and pick up 1 of these boxes. So again, they're $7.99. Clip that $3 digital coupon, send it to your card. You're gonna pay just $4.99 for 80 trash bags. I think that is such an amazing deal. So make sure you guys clip that coupon. So now it's time for some food deals. Okay. Hellmann's. I need to stock up on some Hellmann's because I'm running really low. Now, you can pick up either this big fella right here, 30 ounces, or the squeezable 20 ounce, whatever is more convenient for you guys. There is a $1 digital coupon, so make sure you clip that, send it to your card. There are Ibotta rebates, but I think the Ibotta rebates are only on the light mayonnaise. I don't have any service in the store to scan it, unfortunately. So if you guys scan it, let me know in the comments below if you know which one works for the Ibotta rebate, so everyone can take advantage of that deal. But $2.49 for a large thing of Hellmann's mayonnaise, I don't think that's a bad deal. Now, like I posted for you guys in my must-do deals, or I'm sorry, it was an ad preview. I love buffalo chicken dip. So let's find the chunk chicken. It should be like right here. Oh, here it is. Okay, so they're on sale. 2 for $5 or $2.50 each, which is a savings of $1. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these because I'm gonna be making some for football parties this weekend. The next deal we're gonna pick up is Frank's Red Hot. We need this. Oh, last one, woohoo. $2.49. That's almost half price. That is amazing. Now, I have some ranch at home, so I'm not gonna pick this up, but I use ranch in my recipe. That is also 50% savings. It's just $2.49, which I think is a really, really great deal. So let's add these to our cart. Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens and everything actually went amazing. And the reason being, the manager who checked me out was so great. When the digital coupons didn't come off, he manually entered them in for me so my out-of-pocket didn't get too high. So I was having issues with the digital coupons, but because the manager was there and checking me out and he was so nice, his name was Matt, I didn't have any issues because of him. So thank you so much, Matt. Another heads up, the Revlon buy one get one free coupon is taking off the higher amount, but he said I had already paid for it before he had noticed and wanted to change it. Their new policy per corporate, they're not supposed to let it take the higher amount. They're supposed to digitally switch it back. So just be careful of that. If you're trying to buy a higher value item and a lower value item like I did, he did let me know they're not allowed to let that occur anymore. So you might want to just pick up 2 items that are the same price. That way you guys don't have any issues. If you bought 2 of the Revlon lipsticks that were $8.29 each, it would still be a nice moneymaker. So just wanted to point that out for you guys before you guys head to Walgreens and take advantage of these deals. So the first deal I did, I wound up paying $2.73 out of pocket. So here's my receipt. I got the 2 Dixie plates here, the Revlon lipstick and the Revlon matte lipstick for $9.99. The BOGO automatically took off the higher value one. The $1 digital for the Dixie plates came off. So the total after coupons and including taxes was $12.73. I did use $10 of points, so 10,000 points. Paid just $2.73 out of pocket. Got back a $10 register reward, which I used in my next transaction for the spend 20, get 5,000 points back. So this was that transaction. I did the all detergent, which I already submitted to Ibotta. It recognized it from the receipt, no issues. Got my $2 back from Ibotta. I got the Crest, 3 Crest and 3 Colgate. Now, you'll see that he put manufacturer coupon in because he had to manually add some of the coupons because they weren't coming off. But you should have a 5 off of 3 digital for the Crest and a 5 off of 3 digital for the Colgate. If you don't have the digital for the Colgate, it was available on coupons.com. So if you printed one, you guys can use that as well. So I got back a $4 register reward for the Colgate, a $5 register reward from the Crest, $2 back from Ibotta for the all detergent, and 5,000 points back for the bonus. So the final cost was free and a $2.73 moneymaker, which was amazing. And my out-of-pocket on this one was $3.55. So I used a $10 register reward. These are additional coupons, like I said, that didn't come off that he fixed for me. So the final cost was $1.93 plus taxes. I paid $3.55 out of pocket, and I got back $2 in actual cash from Ibotta. So technically, I only spent $1.55 on all of these items, and I got 7 items for $1.55 out of pocket, which I thought was absolutely amazing. Then my last deal that I did, I wanted to stock up on the Glad trash bags. I bought 2 of those because I couldn't pass that up. That was such an amazing deal to get 80 Glad kitchen trash bags for $4.99. I think that is absolutely perfect. So I used 2 of those 50-cent coupons from pgeveryday.com for the Tide and Downy. Here is my receipt. I got the Frank's Red Hot, $2.49, the Downy, the Tide. I got the Cottonelle and the Viva, which did scan on my Fetch Rewards. And as you can see here, I got back 6,000 points because I hit a 500 point bonus. In previous weeks, I got the Cottonelle flushable wipes. When you get one of those, that is a bonus item, and when you buy one of each, you're gonna get an additional 500 points back, which is 50 cents. So I got back over 6,000 points today, which was amazing, equivalent to $6. I can then cash that out to any kind of gift card that I want on the app. They have Nike, they have AMC Theaters, they have Amazon, Walmart, and CVS. Like I always tell you guys, you can use that to help pay down your out-of-pocket at CVS, which is amazing, especially for newbie couponers when you don't have a lot of CRTs or extra bucks to use at CVS. So let's finish my receipt here. I got the chicken, I got 2 of the Glad, then I got the Hellmann's. So these are the coupons that came off, 2 of the 50 cent. I had a $3 coupon printed from coupons.com for the Glad. Then there's a $3 digital, but he had to manually enter that in, as you see right here, along with the, which other one didn't come off? The $3 Glad digital didn't come off. There was another coupon that didn't come off. And then I gave him a $10 register reward. So that's what that is for right there. Then the Viva, $2 off 2 for the Viva and Cottonelle did come off. That one was no problem. Why is this? There we go. So bright, sorry. So the total was $30.33. So that would have been what you would pay out of pocket if you guys were doing the same deal as me, if you did not have any points to use. Why is this so crazy? There we go. Okay. Ah, stop. Sorry, it's like super bright. I'm like trying to make this not be so crazy. Anyway, I used $20 in points and paid $10.33 out of pocket on my final transaction, which I thought was amazing because I got back the 6,000 points from Fetch, which is the equivalent of $6. So now I'm down to only technically $4 out of pocket, which is super, super great. And we got some really great items, especially items that we don't always get. I needed to stock up on some Hellmann's mayonnaise, and I'm gonna be making my favorite buffalo chicken dip, so I'm excited about that. If you guys want the recipe, I can always post it for you on the community tab. I just Google like a traditional buffalo chicken dip. It's nothing really that special, but if you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. If you haven't seen my CVS haul, make sure you click this video right here and enter in to win my first ever subscriber appreciation giveaway, where I'm going to be giving away a $20 CVS gift card. I will be announcing the winner tomorrow, so make sure when you subscribe, you hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on the winner. Also, if you guys haven't seen the 5 must-do deals for Walgreens, make sure you guys hit this video right here so you can check out some additional amazing deals going on at Walgreens this week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.